Hi. So the app or website I have chosen to do this project on is called Rewordify.com. It is a free app that can be found on the internet. It can be used on any device. And I thought it was especially cool for STEM projects. With this, it allows students to type in what they're trying to decipher for, but it will pop up an easier version for them to use. So I will show you that here quickly. So I'm going to, type this in or whatever. Each team needs to test its prototypes to determine if it works according to the criteria established. Well, I have no idea what some of that means. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit Rewordify Text. And then up here you can see that it pops up with a new version of what it is telling me. So each team needs to test its early models to figure out if it works according to the judging requirements established. So that is a lot easier to understand. These tabs up here, this is rewordifying text. If I want to stat something, here it comes up. I don't think this would be really needing, but parts of speech is cool. It lets students, decide what is a noun in the sentence, pronoun, verb, adjective. So it's kind of teaching them parts of speech as well. So I thought that was awesome. Up here, it also records the reading time, so how long it takes for them to read that and understand. Going back to the Rewordifying Text tab, some of the cool features is tips. Click the highlighted word to learn them and hear them. So if I click on early models, it'll say prototypes, early models, or whatever. So it gives me the name, definition, and how to say the word. Here it also shows that to determine. You also can print out vocab list, quizzes, and more. That's pretty cool. So I think this would be awesome for STEM because it will allow students who may not understand those fancy words have the same opportunities to learn and advance their skills, in STEM. And overall, this would be great for anybody, even teachers to use. So I definitely recommend you and your students figuring out how you can use this. It can be used for any subject, not just STEM. So hope you can use it in the future. Thanks for watching.